technology, and tools used by logistics coordinators to streamline operations. Supply chain operations are highly complex, so logistics workers must use technology and tools to streamline their processes. Here are some of the most commonly used tech and tools in logistics. Transportation Management Systems. A TMS is a software that efficiently manages shipments from origin to destination. It helps track freight, manage rates and costs, provide shipment visibility, and more. TMS makes getting accurate reports from the supply chain, warehouse, carriers, and customers easier. Warehouse Management Systems. WMS are used to manage and track inventory in warehouses efficiently. It helps to streamline activities like receiving, packing, shipping, and returns. Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is essential for logistics jobs as it enables them to store data securely offsite and access it anytime from any device with an internet connection. It eliminates the need for expensive on-premise storage. RFID. Radio frequency identification is a tracking technology that helps streamline processes like cargo tracking, inventory management, etc. It enables them to track shipments in real time, reducing the errors associated with manual data entry. Automated vehicle location. Automated vehicle location technology is used to track and monitor the location of vehicles. It helps them to know exactly where their shipments are at any given time, aiding in efficient planning and decision-making. Blockchain. Blockchain technology allows for secure tracking of goods throughout the supply chain, enabling up-to-date information sharing between stakeholders. It is increasingly used in the logistics industry to eliminate paperwork and provide greater transaction transparency. These are just some technology tools logistics coordinators use to streamline their operations. Utilizing these tools can enable them to provide a better customer experience, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. To learn about crane trucks, check out our previous video.